Then Jesus said to her, "Woman, you have great faith. Your request is granted." Matthew 15, verse 28.
Welcome to today's encouragement from Our Daily Bread. Fueled by Faith was written by Arthur Jackson and read by Wes Ward.
Matthew chapter 15, verses 21 through 28. Leaving that place, Jesus withdrew to the region of Tyre and Sidon. A Canaanite woman from that vicinity came to him, crying out, "Lord, Son of David, have mercy on me. My daughter is demon-possessed and suffering terribly." Jesus did not answer a word. So his disciples came to him and urged him, "Send her away, for she keeps crying out after us." He answered, "I was sent only to the lost sheep of Israel." The woman came and knelt before him. "Lord, help me," she said. He replied, "It is not right to take the children's bread and toss it to the dogs." "Yes, it is, Lord," she said. "Even the dogs eat the crumbs that fall from their master's table." Then Jesus said to her, "Woman, you have great faith. Your request is granted." And her daughter was healed at that moment. Fueled by Faith, written by Arthur Jackson. J.D. witnessed amazing sights on his trip to several African nations. His text messages to us from eastern Zambia included several pictures of faith-filled women who presented their 3-year gospel ministry plan. It is one of the most powerful strategic plan presentations I've ever heard in my life. Instead of a whiteboard, they drew in the dirt. Instead of handing out nice copies of what they were going to do, they displayed their plan on poster-sized crumpled paper held up by 2 of them. It was just incredible. They were demonstrating the kind of faith that Jesus values. Matthew 15, 21 through 28 records another example. A daughter's condition drove a woman to seek him. "Lord, Son of David, have mercy on me. My daughter is demon-possessed and suffering terribly." Her great faith in Jesus contrasted with the faithlessness of the Jewish leadership whose hearts were far from God. While Christ recognized the outward pedigree of those belonging to Abraham, his commendation was for the Gentile woman who possessed the faith of Abraham. What compels you to look to Jesus today? A personal, family, or community need? Whatever prompts you to go to Jesus, go. Even if you feel that you're limping, go to him, because it's not the size of your faith that matters. What matters is the object of your faith, Jesus and Jesus alone. Let's pray. Lord Jesus, you are the object of our faith and the source of all of our hope. Teach us to come to you in complete trust, no matter how small or weak our faith feels today. May our confidence rest in your power and mercy, knowing you alone can meet our every need. And it's in your name that we pray. Amen.
As you go about your day, reflect on these questions. How would you describe your faith today? How might you refuel your trust in Jesus?
Abelaw belwala things, abelaw belwala mur, kerdiso arara things, rambrangil abelaw. Omusubam la otilk mo, ar adal mum kamang taklangar til, aditil gibel kal, along aringira bek klabsay. Digi karel kal, along aring, digi karel kalir. Yak mangaru ndiral malolim bringi, kloral malolim bringi rabek klabsay, mum kamang taklangar til. Ar sugum ka smell sukal, ka high blood. Bol kloral omolim bringi rabek klabsay. Agir nir kau, o spera kloral, momi am kikyong ra al sela patangem. Moli maralm, en komotiak langar kau, yasob aklagir nir kau.
Agagid ang matrik talalayang at mayol, tumatubel-bela ilalong edelurio, relelo al milupsingil ang iimbel boil, monmudra Sunday. Mapadang masrato, lang klodol ila talbong elon milklo yang salasal sa tutrak lugu. Amoy to ko am elon milmo ay milklo. Hotel mo balkaya dal talsil sa mobdul o kay mewi del tiwis. Kaya karmer mang mas amoy na kapsangin amoy to kay ma etul bungra etul klo. Elal talsil sundiga bilming rasil sumomgel o del wasan telte laul matrum. Atru la tanga adim sungos murta elol milmodulatrum erul mara talsiga. Tawarka almol langar erul sa makal didyul. Ada sa mobdula dilu sungos langar edel mobdula ewal sa makal didyul. Akap singay momsin dilga padraya at momgel alul basen telte talul. Tru la tamar ongos murta elol milmodulatrum erul mara talsiga. Atawarka almol langar erul sa makal didyul. Ada sa mobdula dilu sungos langar edel murewal sa makal didyul. Ako nga waluriyor ang momsin dal mering nasil sa meral mo o banggalalu ilbasan talash talul. Trule lal tamra ongo sa marmurta elol mamudulatum erul mara talsiga. Tawarka almo langar erul sa kamakal didyul le adasar modula dilusungos langar edel marewal sa kamakal didyul. Nakapsang nga nga waluriyor ang momsin dal kapadrayang at mamaggal o dalbasan laul. Trule lal tamra dilusungos sa marmurta elol mamudulatum erul mara talsiga. Tawarka almo langar erul sa kamakal didyul li arasar mutula dilusungos langar ewal marayim sa kamakal didyul. Ang imluriyor ang mo ikabal ka patrayang ay mo mgilalu ilbasen teltel talul. Tru ilalayol tamara dilus sa marmurtra ayelol milmutula trum erul mara talsigang. At tawarka almo langar erul sa kamakal didyul. Arasar mutula dilusungos langar ewal marayolol sa kamakal didyul. Sabato ngayong mo ikabal ka patrayang at mo magkilalu ilbasen teltel talul. Trule layo tamarang bar at marmurtra elol milmotra trum erul mara talsigang. At tawarka almo langar erul sa kamakal didyul. At asar motula dilusungos langar eyi milmarelol sa kamakal didyul. Asande yung mo masindig ka patrayang at mo magkiloko albasen teltel laul. Trule layo tamaratim nga bar at marmurtra motula trum erul mara talsigang. Atawarka almo langar erul sa kamakal didyul. Yata sa modula dilusungos langar ewang at marelol sa kamakal didyul. Talmilo lang sa ringi yarakor dal forecast talmikat makrobe sa kanso kal marairay. Kamal masaulun mga dong.
In today's digital world, is your business truly secure? A single data breach can erase years of hard work and trust. Don't leave your digital assets vulnerable. This is where Guardian Cyber steps in. As a service-disabled veteran and Palauan-owned small business, we bring discipline, integrity, and excellence to cybersecurity. We partner with you to meet your regulatory or corporate obligations, safeguarding your critical data. At Guardian Cyber, we don't believe in one-size-fits-all. We start by assessing your current data protection posture to recommend tailored solutions that fit your specific business goals and, just as importantly, your budget. Our core competencies include everything from governance, risk, and compliance consulting to incident response and penetration testing. We even specialize in PEP and high-value individual cyber defense. Guardian Cyber is committed to one simple principle: your success is our success.
We are a Palauan-owned business and a responsible member of Palau Pledge, dedicated to environmental conservation through more efficient computing and cybersecurity solutions.
Protect your business, secure your future. To schedule your assessment, call on WhatsApp 680-770-8779 or email at Guardian Cyber. That's Guardian, CYBER 19@gmail.com.
This is a Republic of Palau Ministry of Finance, Property and Supply Division public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Chief of Property and Supply Division is soliciting proposals from interested businesses or companies to supply 3 each SUVs and 1 each flatbed truck for the ROP. Specifications for needed items will be available after May 13th, 2026. Interested businesses or companies may contact Ms. Charnel D. Sumang, Chief of Property and Supply Division, at the following address: Property and Supply Division, P.O. Box 6007, Koror, Palau 96940, phone 680-767-2552, fax 680-767-1016, email charnels at palaugov.org. This is 100% funded by CIP account NTWN CIP Admin 2025. Invitation for bid number IFB 17-26. Public notice is April 28, 2026 to May 13, 2026. Bidding period is May 14, 2026 to June 15, 2026. Opening date will be June 16, 2026. Proposals or tenders must be submitted to the Property and Supply Division at the Bureau of National Treasury no later than 4 p.m. Palau time on June 15, 2026, which is the closing date of this IFB. The IFB number as well as the company name must be clearly marked on the outside of the envelope. The procurement officer reserves the right to extend the opening date of said IFB, modify or cancel this notice, and reject non-conforming offers if it deemed necessary.
2026 Development Symposium. The Ministry of Finance is pleased to invite you to the 2026 Palau Development Symposium, a key event in our annual calendar. Please join us on a 3-day event starting Tuesday to Thursday, May 26th to the 28th from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. The symposium represents a milestone in Palau's development journey, bringing together government agencies, community leaders, youth, elders, and international partners to collectively reflect on and advance our nation's economic, fiscal, and technological progress. This event is open to the public, and we would greatly appreciate your attendance. For more details, please contact us at 680-488-4441, extension 3074, or via email at mofpalauevents@gmail.com. We look forward to welcoming you to a day of insightful discussions. Thank you. Awis ra Ministry of Finance akman mga madawar adrabalu mabuhay elmerti altobet silondi bringi ra 2026 Palau Development Symposium. Almorngir ang erulurior luim elon malmo ang ewalurior alnya luim eyal kapsingil ang emilbuil. Lomor e klora tutaw almoy maklora kapsingay elmorngir ang amayong cultural center. Tialondi walang la asmeril murabalu mabuhay magikmal mga madawar kaol may. At sumamamuy lomsodel ang sabi lom kadong 680-488-4441 extension 3074 maluobang ka email ra mofpalauevents@gmail.com kung malmsulang.
This is a Bureau of Human Resources public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of Palau will be soliciting and accepting sealed proposals from interested businesses, qualified individuals, agencies, or institutions for an external evaluator for the Career and Technical Education and Adult Education Grant for project year 2026. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The services requested will be fully funded by CTE BOC Ed Grant, a federal grant. The specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on May 18, 2026. The solicitation and bidding period shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days as determined by the procurement officer. The specifications will also be made available on PalauGov's website, www.palaugov.pw/RFP-BIDS/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS-2026-30. Public notice is from May 1st, 2026 through May 17th, 2026. Bidding period, May 18th, 2026 through June 2nd, 2026. Proposals opening will be on June 3rd, 2026. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Ngerdubech Milkfish. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415, 680-767-1126, or emailing hr@palaugov.org. This is a Bureau of Human Resources public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of Palau will be soliciting and accepting proposals from interested businesses, qualified individuals, agencies, or institutions to provide consultation and deliver a system of care development workshop. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The services requested will be fully funded by the Health Resources and Services Administration Federal Fund. The specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on May 15th, 2026. The solicitation and bidding period shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days, as determined by the procurement officer. The specifications will also be made available on PalauGov's website, www.palauGov.pw/RFP-BIDS/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS-2026-32. Public notice April 30th, 2026 through May 14th, 2026. Bidding period May 15th, 2026 through June 15th, 2026. Proposals opening will commence June 16th, 2026. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Ngerdubech. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415, 680-767-1126, or emailing hr@palaugov.org. This is a Bureau of Human Resources public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of Palau will be soliciting and accepting proposals from interested businesses, qualified individuals, agencies, or institutions to provide alcove model workshop. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The services requested will be fully funded by the Health Resources and Services Administration Federal Fund. The specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on May 15th, 2026. The solicitation and bidding period shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days as determined by the procurement officer. The specifications will also be made available on PalauGov's website, www.palaugov.pw/RFP-BIDS/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS-2026-33. Public notice April 30th, 2026 through May 14th, 2026. Bidding period May 15th, 2026 through June 15th, 2026. Proposals opening June 16th, 2026. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Ngerdubech. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415, 680-767-1126, or emailing hr@palaugov.org. This is a Bureau of Human Resources public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of Palau will be soliciting and accepting proposals from interested businesses, qualified individuals, agencies, or institutions to provide an autism spectrum disorder workshop. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The services requested will be fully funded by Health Resources and Services Administration Federal Fund. The specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on May 15th, 2026. The solicitation and bidding periods shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days, as determined by the procurement officer. The specifications will also be made available on PalauGov's website, www.palaugov.pw/RFP-BIDS/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS-2026-34. Public notice April 30th, 2026 through May 14th, 2026. Bidding period, May 15th, 2026 through June 15th, 2026. Proposals opening, June 17th, 2026. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury, at the Finance Building in Koror, or the Executive Building in Ngerdubech Milkfish. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415, 680-767-1126, or emailing hr@palaugov.org. This is a Bureau of Human Resources public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of Palau will be soliciting and accepting proposals from interested businesses, qualified individuals, agencies, or institutions to provide a peer-to-peer youth training workshop. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The services requested will be fully funded by Health Resources and Services Administration Federal Fund. The specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on May 15th, 2026. The solicitation and bidding period shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days as determined by the procurement officer. The specifications will also be made available on PalauGov's website, www.palaugov.pw/RFP-BIDS/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS-2026-35. Public notice April 30th, 2026 through May 14th, 2026. Bidding period is May 15th, 2026 through June 15th, 2026. Proposals opening June 17th, 2026. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Ngerdubech Milkfish. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415, 680-767-1126, or emailing hr@palaugov.org. This is a Bureau of Human Resources public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of Palau will be soliciting and accepting sealed proposals from interested businesses, qualified individuals, agencies, or institutions to provide service as a school counseling consultant for Palau Schools Counseling Program for the project year March to September 2026. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The services requested will be fully funded by the CTE BOC AD grant, a federal grant. The specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on May 18th, 2026. The solicitation and bidding period shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days, as determined by the procurement officer. The specifications will also be made available on PalauGov's website, www.palaugov.pw/RFP-BIDS/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS-2026-36. Public notice is May 1st, 2026 through May 17th, 2026. Bidding period is May 18th, 2026 through June 2nd, 2026. Proposals opening June 3rd, 2026. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Ngerdubech Milkfish. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415, 680-767-1126, or emailing hr@palaugov.org. This is a Bureau of Human Resources public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of Palau will be soliciting and accepting sealed proposals from interested businesses, qualified individuals, agencies, or institutions for a workforce and business educational partnership to assist the Ministry of Education by providing professional development and entrepreneurial skills for PHS career and technical education teachers. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The services requested will be fully funded by the CTE VOC ED grant, a federal grant. The specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on May 18, 2026. The solicitation and bidding period shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days as determined by the procurement officer. The specifications will also be made available on PalauGov's website, www.palaugov.pw/RFP-BIDS/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS 2026-37. Public notice May 1st, 2026 through May 17th, 2026. Bidding period May 18th, 2026 through June 2nd, 2026. Proposals opening is June 3rd, 2026. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Ngerdubech Milkfish. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415, 680-767-1126, or emailing hr@palaugov.org. This is a Bureau of Human Resources public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of Palau will be soliciting and accepting sealed proposals from interested businesses, qualified individuals, agencies, or institutions for an instructional coach to assist the Ministry of Education in conducting a special education instructional coach teacher induction program for new and all special education teachers for project year 2026. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The requested services will be fully funded by the MOE Special Education Program federal grant. The specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on May 18th, 2026. The solicitation and bidding periods shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days as determined by the procurement officer. The specifications will also be made available on PalauGov's website, www.palaugov.pw/RFP-BIDS/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS 2026-38. Public notice May 1st, 2026 through May 17th, 2026. Bidding period May 18th, 2026 through June 2nd, 2026. Proposals opening June 3rd, 2026. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Ngerdubech Milkfish. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415, 680-767-1126, or emailing hr@palaugov.org. Ali Palau! Mother's Day is around the corner, and Chen's Flower Shop is the perfect place to help you show your love and appreciation to your mom, mama, nane, or grandma. Stop by our shop in Malagaw or give us a call today. Call 488-2628 or 488-1595 and ask for Benji. Thank you, and we look forward to hearing from you. Are you craving fresh, delicious fish? Looking for the perfect ingredient for your next meal? Then look no further. Ngerdubech Milkfish is bringing you fresh, high-quality milkfish. Get your hands on premium milkfish, perfect for grilling, frying, or however you love to cook it. Available bone-in for just $4 a pound. And for extra convenience, we also offer boneless milkfish for a small additional deboning charge. Don't miss out. You can start placing your orders starting on May 1st, then mark your calendars May 6th with pickup available starting at 2 p.m. Pick up your fresh milkfish at the Drop-Off Bar and Grill. To place your order, call us at 587-1289, 587-5070. That's for calls only. Or for your convenience, you can text or call 5156. Fresh milkfish from Ngerdubech. Available for pickup on May 6th at the Drop-Off Bar and Grill. Order yours starting May 1st. Call 587-1289, 587-5070, or text call 778-5156.
Devel subdra godal maaldu. Devel subdra godal maaldu lotobdring turong Chen Sugiyama. May other may Eliayob, Abbas Paul Uegi, Mamial Bascasio Oitrong, El Morarbek al-Admam, Magimgaving el Adrabab Mayoldab, El Girelas Relang Alged, Etargidra Kennard Sugiyama, El Kmo Mlamosmer, Mabding el Angaramorg, Emngira Meldil Seals. Mlamotrok Meldil, Maaldadu, El Morngira May 15, 2026, Longeim Blurior, El Dimora Santos Borja Funeral Home. Medivo Modngay, Edongi Ramang Tegomaka El Subd, El Dimoyaguriu, Logiutial Radio Station. Kompmal Masulang, Yarubak al Dios, Lomakal Tangatargid Rogui. Signed, Ngirturong Chen Sugiyama, y other May Eliayob.
Subdra Meldiras Udui ito. Tia subdra tawdringa i adkang itsu au, manginat milol denis ito, mamark mabel ragabliras Udui ratliu. Rabliliol subdra rogui dri ragameldilelas Udui ito. Almlamot rok lumorngina sabadong Saturday, letiu ngopsingil ngimilbuila, May 9, 2026. Kamaldila di morngina ablil o odar ragadwin ito, ngarapula tiul ragbeed. Ang moto dramor ra 8 a.m. ratutaw, almarablil o odar ragadwin ito, emang maldil mo 12 p.m. ito, dan morafiseristak. Emran morabliliol mortaw rablil ngara ngiti irure tal sigang, el top del mor olgul, yara adal mutros siul sils. Magim subdra kamil udmam ngaregal belu, memein da alim da smas miing gal targid el madibus radrongled. Maralong agim subdra i adrabut el bay Frank Malsol, mo subdra adad marngalga. Mararda agim subdra gardra i trilio takamangloy, o dao le mitsuhi de subris, koel dulei subris, mspedea matrangabot tami imngsao junior, maivira merong stominaruo, o mo subdra bibirigid marngalga. Ayra agim subdra dilubay etna igartang Raymond, Elizabeth igartang, o Micol igartang, Carol ngiraidis, mo subdra bibir kamiu marngalga. Aram lango agim subdra si les ngiralul kama Apollonia Siprit, mo subdra ad marngalga. Ngiwala agim subdra ngirudil benito obak, madirudil dorismad, mo subdra bibir kamiu marngalga. Miliga agim subdra ngilgil o segdra Gloria Quaselin, madil mers olgril, parangilgil ngiraibab, radong ngiraibab, mangatwat ngiraibab, mamabel ngiraibab, memusukmam. Orior agim subdra adra may Eliayob, elbir akum segundina asuma, mo subdra bibir kamiu marngalga. Francis Meram o Paulinda Mer adachi, mo subdra bibir kamiu marngalga. Agol turgal bilung Marcia Ogada, melmen ngalgem raidere che Ogada mar bibiringim ngasukmam. Makal Maria Otto Joseph, mo subdra ngalga. Ngalgila madal Sarah Lo Jackson ridep ngirengas, mo subdra bibir gaw. Ngalgila yung ranginot kabuy hiop kurom, ebirulot neomibi uegi, maasa pukurom, matoni probesong, mo subdra bibir kamiu. Agidri kam subdra ngalgilam liad ito ngirapukura kadwin ito, mangirat mil oldenis ito, mamarian ito kamsong, mo subdra bibir kamiu marngalga. Kaskasuk Abraham ngiruos, Tilu Rahel ngirios, mo subdra bibir kamiu marngalga. Morimat Kingsyo, masarut modrang, matinat modrang, mo subdra bibir kamiu marngalga. Mark Mabel, manopo koblaluk, ma Elvira Blanc, mo subdra bibir kamiu marngalga. Trangalgila sa wakong Mabel, agim subdra kal Cherlin Basyo Siksay, ma Chef Mabel, mo subdra bibir kamiu ma Mason na meet, ma Chemi na ngata. Agidiri kam subdra ngalgila tage sigintol ramakarit kay Solablay, ma Joseph Otep Gintol, mo subdra bibir kamiu. Agidiri kam subdra kal Ryan Francisco. Kamamilol tobdra subdra ultur kal diriklep ane Marisolang Francisco, malmeng algem ra ren, marbebiringim lang sumam. Agidiri kam subdra ngalgila gembo genti, ra Charlie genti, Maletisha genti. Agidiri kam subdra ngalgila mlei ad rimir, Ramel, ra Robinson rimir, Masiboy rimir, Marufina rimir, mo subdra bibir kamiu. Agidiri kam subdra bakriu the May Al-Usa, maadil pakriu Benita Mool, magimikot Jose, ma Alex Cruz. Agidiri kam subdra ngalgila hen starbay ra Dilayla, makaon ngalgila hen starbay ra Dylan Derbay, mo subdra bibir kamiu marngalga. Jorang idep Daniel, mo subdra bibir kamiu marngalga. Agidiri kam subdra kaon Ruel Herman Omelaw, men musukmam. Sesariama Mercy Saul, mo subdra bibir kamiu marngalga. Agidiri kam subdra Rosario Skilang marngalga. Agidiri kam subdra kal Obaclor Batros Pasilio, madil taap Carmen Kip, mo subdra adad marngalga. Rangataap ime musukmam mertel kamaldilila tarigidras Udui ito. Pelilio agem subdra odalat sa skiragmel, agemi oyama, Sinya Myugi, Ingol Harusing Nagid, Elmar Ragmel, Tego Florencio, Una Richard, Parvinor Ragmel, Masali Ragmel, mo subdra bibir kamiu marngalga. agidiri kal msubdra kawal et mabel medalain mabel masubdra pipi ngaura ad masep Jesus setsuo masubdra bibir kawe meim talim tang seu agidiri kal msubdra diras song paskwana tallei mahelen yamada masubdra ad marangal ke meim tang seu de sartial al sungul ngal targid tirgil ad mam lo dia lobas ang clear lang klam tela subda ul ada kabul makita ng grade meim talim edas sumas meingal targid ras adoi ito ma adi busura ngled jadi ngamaldil mo mokalt mokal gil sels kumal msulang ya bakal Dios lom kal tanga tergidro kuy saena yaat kang itsuaw dia sudral ragamel dil ras adui itol ngalgela yaat itong irapu ngal targidam los mer ser April 19 2026 ya ragamel dil lam lamot ro kal morngina Saturday May 9 2026 Malaysia rongul Donald haruo rongul blue river small ongetiu da masius haruo ongeim gaibat ngirarigel klolubak markrobas ergodol senardo ngira alsaw may budur amador me delegate Warren umataro am sudra rogul daw other bab mayol daw el girel tal sa el ngal targid nung October morra tutawal Saturday May 9 el momong ameldir abli la qadwin itol ngrap kulatul ngrabed el moswel bim umdaqrab lilyaw magim sudra adma maragal belu mangana long et spadala ngragil ong langal quroda rangal gilam li adal bara tablangal yosina ho ubdey rangal gilat titim solang ngalgela isaw rungul ratuloy makodines mataling irangkoil ngalgela ngira berso mosudra atad marangal gemin draing seu art magim sudra atamdad meriang Fermin meriang speaker Willard kumangay Andres Oserda mangalgela ngadig seringi raturang mosudra atad marangal ang iwala gim sudra ngalgela Emiliano Lol ngalgela Marta Obak marangalgela Kiwar Daniel main draing seu malagaw gim sudra sa arulyong Teodoro Ngulbay mosudra bibir kamur ter albula Alam nung wegim subde olingit rang yotel EMU mada matcho hanest eur mosubra adad marangal gemin nakaingiseu. Ngat pangagi olingit rubiang hiromina bayama mosubra adad marangal gemin nakaingiseu. Ay miliga gim subra idub et pisong giring sis ngira alsaw marangal gilang da alsaw ngira aluy soang oywil marangal gilang seng sa nakamura rangal gila okwak lubil marsil ngitel tang marinor sengla marangal gila brunor iwang kas pusubde min nakaingiseu. Ay rayang spada lakautang blayok o makatar blayok, Dion Wenting Raygalaw, Beverly Tewit King, Leslie Tewit, Mangalgil Albertang Rilay, may nakaing seur telbula. Oriora kimsudra ngalgila diraklay ko siba, Ambasador Chesua ko siba, Maester ko siba, mosudra bebin komiw. Agidira kalmsudra ngalgila wenti tong mir emri wenti, masyanrang wenti sadang, agidira kalmsudra gensi genti malbino genti. Agidira kalmsudra ngalgila amner abay olikong katosang, mas pasungol ngina alaong rungel, mosudra adad mangal gebim nakaing seur telbula. Adrigal spada lang algela ya adal ito ngirabu, Rakadwin ito, Dennis ito, Marianne, Marilyn, Maleona ito, Marianne Delamel, Brenda Tarimel, Loretta Mayer Smul, may adribul kyoni sa alir telbula. Paliluagim sudra ng algela amnerong ul rakamel, Rukubay lindang iratumrang, rang algela adir masyaw, rungul rangwil basul sa dawo, Hilaria Amalay, Sadakot Chuniosi, Mirirey mautelat sa Skifferensyo, Marbek dawad marangal gemin kang seur telbula. Kidri kalmsudra Thomas Finnegan ginarigel, Shari Maharlan Nicholas, rangal gelam le mangalil yamamotom to the Lawrence katbangang, mosudra rangal gemin kang seur telbula. Ngayon sa delegat Mario Culiber, Tadib Angel Sali, Rotguy Sisuko Sali, rangal gelam ni Atamasep Setsuo, Adalbay Jackson Henry, rangal gelam le Bibuel Abeliano Susugi, Captain Benito Thomas, mosudra adad emin nakaingiseu. Agimre nga suliw da aira rasil sa kamdila. Abulakal sa biul may edwum edolomon mlalat karang lunguwa. Adios lom kaltanga tergid. Sain rungul Donald haruho. Tia sudra ko dal top dringa nginagid el chong inamur ngir ongor rigim ol diragid el martang inamu bilsmaw ane mari sambal madili klep sin makomdraisaw mo. At targidra Mercedes sedoy ito am los mer mabdingil ang ramorge motor ka kla kamil dilel morngira May 9 2026 el Sabado el Sils motor dra funeral home ra 7 dori ara tutaw el morabli la taringira gadwin itol nga ngarbe de mga mildin mosuel bra 12 PM top del mora fisheries tang emerald morabli liol motor morabli nga ngitirur el tal sigang emrol gul magiyolngit mosudra komiul dagaw adal adra babal daw orior mayol daw mosudra adat marangal ke meim nakaing seu ngaralong expada lang ina Esebres Prani Salvador Ebiler Esebres warang ulit ngaralang expada la tuur kasu siro Andrew Siro dililaw lidiang diablos mosubdra adat marangal ka emi melel mosubdra bibir ngaw mi nakaing seu Artmang spadala mara otoay malwala ruluda, ngiwaling spadala ngiray derbay masasingi arurang, iblug churumang ngirmang, ebiray derbay, brangi masami mosubdar adad marangalga. Malgayong spadala raklay baong ngirmang, sibong mira mosubdar adad marangalga. Ngaramlunging spadala idol ngod bungulong tablak, madir melong ebil tablak, ngakal ngirangidal chong ngiramura msubdar ngir turong Chen Sugiyama, mosubdar adad marangalga mindaking iseu. Orioring spadala Gloria Masami, Sofia Masami Sid, Shelby Masami, Dirat Matpap Sadaria Fritz, Juliet Ri, Flora Tewid, Serelina Botaridep, Chorang Ridep, Mihaina Gosiba, Diliklep Simakom Raisaw, Dil Pokriw Benedictam Ol, Dil Sub de Peloy, Badabay Kuya Lelay Anastasio, Kyoko Solang, Enita et Pisong, Dareng Bidamay, Uelbil Tarmaw Isak Nirmang, Masako en Sadang, Marilyn Ngiraydong Iyar, Madeline Ngiraydong King, Marao Singits, Dilikleb ane Marisolang Francisco, Diana Smau, Kyoko Tengeluk, Ngeradok Teruo, Lati Sasao, Blue Ongila, Johaina Sadao, Albinada Albay, Maria Terusi, Aileen Solang, Rosalitang Walgenti, Imengal Demay, Diraroy's Rosemary Gib, Ibu Tomoichi, Serafina Mitaro, Jennifer Ngwal, Ilengay El Ngwal, Lucien Oligong Marbibirengay, Carla Esadang, Ambassador Dilmay Olgril, Lisa Abraham, Rangela Ubadma, Sabet Masayoshi, Maria Otto, Erur Ito, Malturradala Mimimdakaingiseu, Mary Besong, Trisha Henry Lewis, Joyce Antonio, Clara Sawat, Ana Berli Madris, Isum Arda Ngirairik Malisa Madris, Elvira Blanc, Edna Mabel, Edeline Mabel, Ethiopia Mabel, Jacinta Ri, Mosudra Virgao, Maria Santos, Marangalgila Hideom Toda Madira Sway, Regina, Riz Oligong Chunewo. Ruktamauling Spadal Agustin Masayos, Fred Tengeluk, Pakriurbab, the Mail Usa, Tewong do El Baliong Raidong, Aribuk Kel, Chibasang Ri, Dialul Rumong, Itpik James Ginadeng, Obagramiun Chak Ginasang, Ira Along Rangel, the White Masami, Gabenor Mais Robert, Dasking Ramur, Vince Agiwo, Benedict Ratur, Inabot Kel, Glenn Siang, Nikleb Ngiratao Ngwal, Steve Tomoichi, Robert Kel, Matt Temi Mitaro, Reynold Mol, Ngasisob Larulog, Oligong Edwin Tomoichi, Kraramyo Columbus Sakuma, Swingly Zero, Joseph Limat, Johannes Merar, Umang Demay, Allen Suzuki Marabibiringi, Wilfred William, Armstrong Cham, Allen Gangitz, Edburg Mabel, Ngaskasuk Che Ogada, Maltura del Mio, Mega Marabibingaw, Mindrangiseu, Brandon Bauso, Inamur, Mailangalang Ililaw, Maltura del Mio, Mindrangiseu, Bruce Amaley, Esli Amaley, Gadwin Ito, Mosubdar Birgaw, Mindrangiseu. Pelilio ang Spadal o Ob Herman, Ponsiana Sambal, Ob Adratelbudol Mayumi Sinozuka, Dir Oil, Churi Napoleon, Brenda Weiner, Irul Ngingsang, Idalat, Erigo Malone, Ngarablun Tarurang, Barbara Solang, Elbil Hilaria Ichiro, Olsing Iyagar, Adargoroy Bostor Ramlig, Idalat Roman Ridep, Fen Toda, Leslie Tormdib Ridep, Hilbert Ridep, Pingalang Ulas, Kadwin Sasao, Evangelist Teru, Ngwal, Magent Ngiramur. Omalmsulang Rogoy, Mdibod Kaswester Selsils, Atargid na Mercedes, sa Udui ito, Madios Lovangit. Saan ang ginagid al chow ngiramur. Tiatukobat sa spadila diragid al martam toda, tiasudro al toda nga diragid al martam toda ngiramur, alangalgil amle diragid al kapsang loodal amle ginagid al ridep. Akpasubdro kamiyul ngalgil al ridep, makpasubdro kamiyul ngalgil al liter ridep, rangalgil al amal iyangda, rangalgil al kadalat, rangalgil al delbot ba, rangalgil al dilboy, rangalgil al kalbid, marangalgil al kikuko ridep ngidaingas, diregal spadek nga kaldiragid al martang ngiramur, amor trigal adadramiunsa, makmsubdra rangalgil al abarik, marangalgil al uay, marangalgil al igalaw, ay tiregal walingit kamiyul al dalala ridep, rangarsula, mamimdakaingiseo, al mesati al kamaldili al Sechedui, al rangalgil al ridep. O malmsulang edibod kaswester selsil sa Madios Lovangit roguy. Saan diragid al martang ngiramur. Tiasubra godal ortodrnya Roman Ridep, Kadwin ito, Chorang Ridep, Bota Ridep, Pascuana Ridep Suzuki, el msubdra kamiyul na kawadra babaldab, Oriol Meoldab, el kmotargid rasadui ito am los meres April 19, 2026, mabangil ang aramor, game lamotrok, lakamaldilel, el morngin asaruday, May 9, 2026, rabli lakadwin ito ng ratiul, ng Pedro Oriol. Mga maldil moterial sil, sem utod ng marabililyon, moltab rablil ng rangangitirur, e auriul ang morolgol. Agim subdra at mamraigal belu mangaralong agim subdra ibdura alay Robert Tuti ebir alay Maria Ro mo subdra adad marangal ge meim da alim bertaqadaing seu mangarar agim subdra tiang der mo subdra birgaw e meim da gaing seu ang ratma gim sobra ngalgil obarairur beo the may obarairur mo sobra ru le me mkaing seu karam nungwe gim sobra ngir turong Chen Sugiyama ma odalad mo sobra da de me dali mkaing seu nagidire kalam sobra ngira dilu at tamiri mang South Junior mau elbili lo lang ramang sau mo sobra da de me dali mkaing seu ter elbula at pangagim sobra Valentino masyo al mo sobra bibir kaw me mkaing seu Arsula gim sobra obagar mau sidni eighty ma be ebil ramau mo sobra da mangal gida me dali mkaing seu ter elbula agidire kalam sobra ngalgila ay de role Rangalgel Olblay Vince Oligong Wilson Olblay Madebora Tirso Marangalgel Aitir Francisco Rangalgela Bedor Vince Odray Toshia Kildermens Agigosong Yamama Masao Bedor Agidrekal Msubra Rangalgela Imeng Radiras Imleya Omgata Ramoto Agidrekal Msubra Rangalgela Esuroy Obiang Ramarsiana Obiang Lui Agidrekal Msubra Rangalgela Hanakong Inaibu Raw Elbil Hilaria en Ichiro Mamasako en Sadang Agidrekal Msubra Rangalgela Toribiong Tumdem Karachungi Runguli Sawo Mosubra Virgau Aw si subda morang ngalgilang ilang silu aw radirat ngir rose musubda maklamat tulik at chak ng sang agidiri kam subda ngalgilang medil sapsis kukong etibe karang IWA isak sakuray mangina sokos cherom sakuray maodri ratchila ng musik ong idoble maansel masakuray ngir meril marangalgila kapokol ratchino kapokol sara kapokol maaldok kapokol agidiri kam subda ngalgila tage kong irairik raisum iginairik la agidiri kam subda ngalgila Togiwo sumang ra Frank sumang machedi sumang multura dal mye me ndraing seu hadire kalo si sulsu da marang algela dilboy di dep Suzuki ra Pascuana Suzuki ma Allen Suzuki ma Alex Suzuki o si sulsu da marang algela mnedil sepsis o kaladri dep ito ra kadwin ito ma Leona ito Pit ito Amory kadwin ngira ilamsang ma error ito paliliwag im subra ngiragi del madira gidel mo subra adad marangal ge me ndraing seu agidiri kam subra dil oil Churi Napoleon mo subra adad marangal ke me ndraing seu agidiri kam subra sbaw amalay mo subra adad marangal ke me ndraing seu agim subra ngal gilam nelo ang skusuki betoy right pick James ngina adeng manansi en ngira rigel op ngira adeng rangal gila obantir sambal ram hayna ko siba animari sambal ponsiana sambal ma isak sambal ngas pusu de me ndraing seu rangal gila ubay ermas ratio finarxid ngalgila sami oral rasusaw o lebu marbibinakaw ediri kalmsubra ngalgila mlelo o maliyang drideb ra umudib rideb ba Erico Smith ediri kalmsubra ngalgila mlelo o Keipo rideb ra Ilen mang hotel marbibirtir ediri kalmsubra ngalgila mledil sepsis kelbid rideb ra Roman rideb mosubra bibirakaw marangalga Carol nginaydis marangalgem marangalgela Jones rideb ra Rose ngirak ma Ela rideb agidiri kalmsubra ngalgila Tosimira Ifimia rideb ma osisulso dambrang ngalgela del bot barideb ra olsing igar bangalgel ra Carla McCain igar edire kalmsubda ra Mercy James mangalgela Randy Castro ma Isabel Castro agidire kalmsubda ngalgela Madal Mobile ra obirir ay ko mukay mangalgel madra lilay leoring na muay mangalgela mle obirir ay ko Martin ra Chulita Blibay marbebiringi agidire kalmsubda ngalgela inglong ngiray blay ra Grace Nobuo malordes kemasang marangalgela yugi ko inglong ra Una Ramel Gerufin Tolngi Kelly Tolngi Kelvin Ramel madirigal ngalgelam lew Elsias Masaru inglong ra Madeline Lemlin Mamarson dirigal si sulsub da marangalgela ngil besul sa tao madil masyo ra Faustina Dalbay marbibirtir marangalgela ngits madris ra Allen marbibiringi ya tokobet sispadan marangalgela mledilo ermangiruos ra ngaskasuk Abraham giruyos mosubra bibir kami mem nakaing seu ngidil admal no de labas ang angkler tial so da gyolingit mem da alim da kaing seu tial ulbong el sungul as adui ito ma adibusula drongled o malm sulang adios lom kaltang atrigidroguy sain Roman rideb
tial sub del mulla rengstringi adiagal spedel ma adiagal tigingel malub engul de suela dias broadcasting company tiang aspedirar adlul top dengi e haraorngi ko mal mesulang
subra blara bora ngamal dile laru itong Henok Udui tia subra top dengi ngira ilal 6 paloy madro orong ngira molaw makreo sa casual Florencio Adelbay ngatibo luel makreo sa nirbabu Kevin paloy Henaro paloy Libra Besong alam subra ko dalel magamal dile laru itong Henok Udui al ngalgela umang maledang rabla rabo al ngom los me ser April 26 2026 emlamat rock la maldilel morngira May 10 2026 el Sunday el Sils kamaldila di morngira pala funeral home el Moswell betob del mor olgul rang rangasang al momlakla magim malol ngit ramil qaw ad ma qaw qabli al wase mim da alim ter al bula mangar along agim subdar qal won rete Matias Erbay ma odal adara mangalang lidi allela mo subdar bekla da mim da alim ter al bula ma asarigo hara mo subdar ngalgilam nedal song tadong hotel marbek ngal kam mim da alim agidre kam subdar qal murfi wasisang mo subdar bekla da ter al bula marada kim subdar qal madar ngabo tamir musaw junior mamle mo subdar bekla da rabla tublai mim da alim ter al bula agidre kam subdar qal madar ngasmos magario watsi mam asal nawra hideos mo subdar bekla da mim da alim awli mga gim subdra arqawl bes Paulus ong alibang ebir otong nana ong alibang mo subdra da rablar otong mim da alim ter al bula iwala gim subdra ngalgila France Peloy ra Chusta Peloy Lorenza Olgaril Magore Peloy Sisterson ter al bula malgayo qadire qal spadra ta church ru ma dilik rebe ga esngir maat mo subdra da rogu mim da alim yeli qal spada ma mir qawli mutugr de taro mo subdra be bir qaw mim da alim ter al bula agidire qal tobet sel subdra qal ding Lius Albert Jacinto tira del bol taqlaqode mo subdra be qal da ter al bula tira qal spada la ngira mi mai hidencio gintaro qamada ol bentellei madrang ar Denis Jacinto oligong frutoso tellei yu toribiong macreo sa France tellei Brian Erung raptang trapkul tellei Clifton Boyser maongetiu la bilaw sevalta tira kaspada la chulita tellei tira ingas Maria tellei Elspeth Sebalt Esther Sebalt Rabay Boysek Choi Obrang Antonio Magim Berlingin Taro Bol Sebalt mo subdar ata de mim dalim agidre kal tokopet sel subdar ngalila tira gombali Orib Joseph Ramadra yo Colin Joseph ma odam ra sayuri sal mim dalim ter bula esar gim subdar gali lilaw Aron Basilius marangal garangal matarang ngaringa aro kayang Efram Policarp Ulsakal Sakarias yang alde Pitalis rulog Rosuk Terence rulog Mosubdra Ruliu marada ter el bula agidre kal subdra qal Sharon Sakuma Maria B Agitaya Kalbid Igeda Merlin Biridep Laura Gintaro Mosubdra bibir kami umarngal emim dalim ter el bula gidre kal matokobet sel subdra qal maasal nsikri song saito Ebil Veronica Masayos Mosubdra ada rogui emim dalim ter el bula dina kam subdra ngalgila da mei tamol rawlang tamol machan mar olgaril masubdra bibir kami mei dalim agi dina kam subdra qal junior rigrik ma olem ranil rigrik mei dalim dina kal spadala odal adra qabaw ilong marsil Nicolas ngirglaw rurqodla Dwayne Hideo Chabi Mai dabangala verano ngirglaw ngirakal song adalbay sali siskin magolumba madraisaw rutung alisa o watanabe Tiram Esther Lula Evelyn Adalbay Kabang Basalay Sandora May Natalia Adalbay Masyang Ngirglaw Alice Sabang Mosubdra Adar Roguir ter el bula agidre kan mosubdra qal dir rabis madres kang gotaro meim da alim ter el bula ngarsula gim subdra qal bakar mausid ni mobile madir ragwis Marcelina Rodu mosubdra adar ngar mau meim da alim ter el bula gidre kan mosubdra qal madras ksu Gabriel Wasisang Rapkau Cecilil Aldabe Lamamlik Rasksu Martar Alu Mosubdar Adadra Blaras Kasuga Mim Dalim. I ragim Subdar Rodal Gensi Rodongok, Mosubdar Adadra Blaratung Lele Mim Dalim Tel El Bula. Agidram Subdar former President Johnson Toribiong, Mosubdar Limar Adadra Rogui, Mim Dalim. Dirigat Spadalar Oraidong, Lio El Toribiong, Malit Matula, Rungulingirait Matula, Iwang El Matula, Hermina or Roma, Ida Raymonda, Timina Ixasa. Valerie Ixasa, Helen Moded Maana Williams, Mosubdar Adadra Rogui, Mim Dalim Tel Bula. Yatogobet Siliakas Padam, Amargaul Niraged Yugiwa Pidang Oklam, Mim Dalim Tel Bula. Dirigat Spadala Marcelino Agustin, Ignacio Daniel, Richard Richur Peloy, Edwin Peloy, Ricky Rubario, Ongolong Daniel, Rulo Daniel, Chimi Daniel, Charlie Simeon, Reginald Agustin, Quay Peloy, Claire Peloy, Alfred Ixasa, Mosubdar Adadra Tel Bula. Dira spadala dira daira miang Waidis Kabong dira led sa Lucia Tillano Miori Daniel dira Yur Miriam Case Araimul Antoinette Merur Rosalita Tadao Edwina Pitagada Carla Peloy Sariang Rubario Talaw Peloy Boley Peloy Marco Simeon Etbay Raymond Betty Raymond Priscilla Agustin Anne Rasang Lund dira rablon tebora ng ata Mosubdar Adadra Rogui Mim Dalim Ngaram nangwe gitokobet sel subdra qal be esrang amsed Stephen Malson o bad mayring Malson mosubdra da de min dalim ter bul agidre qal mosubdra qal de bora ur mosubdra be qal de min dalim edgain sir ter bul ay miliga gim subdra qal dirungul bay sariang mat kam mosubdra da rablara wal gyukla min dalim ter bul gidre qal tokobet sel subdra qal ne mi erongos yol ngitergaw Mamusubdar ngalgel oda mraskaras marangalgel askilang rappamilas kilang mabiberlis kilang may dalim mertel bula. Agyol turkar Julia France el merangalgem ragail ongesi ma elfride mongami egma alimertel bula. Orior agitobet sel msobdar kalt ngur abe udui may dalim mertel bula. Idirikan msobdar ngalgel amle mirai Gabriela ngirmang rangir asu Gregorio ngirmang madil raprak Elisita More mosubdar bibir kami may dalim. Agidirikan msobdar ngalgel kasole blue drong irung kambes kasole siles kasole olbedegal kasole mamarcela kasole ngas subdlo adar rogui emim dalim merter el bula. Dirikas padala odra etosia keldermens agi Sugiyama Teodora S. Miguel Carla West Kyoko Tingeluk Siskawataru Judy Solang Saralyn Sugiyama Albina Tingeluk Merly Cuarte Deborah Rangila Rebecca Asanuma Sherilyn Madraisao Deirdre Sway Morngul Bedor Lorraine Bandari Belinda Eungel, Polly Madraisao, Miriam Ewat, Cherin Ginagalaw, Evi Lulay Damay, Madeline Tingelok, Flora Gintaro, Charlene Madraisao, Mawong Nakamura. Dirikas padala ugordeo Patrick Talay, Ginurik la Pedro Gintaro, Oldiais Ginagalaw, Saturnino Tewid, Spesongal Masao Bedor, Jason Sigi Gasolay, Maru Ulel, Aldrin Talay, Justin Ramo, Esang Tingelok, Clarence Sugiyama, Trepkul Bedor, Sisinio Ewat, Esteban Gintaro, Troy Ngiragalaw, Otra Vedor, Irey Adolfo, Junior Damay, Omgilom Peloy, Ngiray Lals Peloy, Junior Isaac, Mapirer Ngiramolaw Peloy, Mamasubdar Adad Rogur Telbul. Kidiregal Masubdar, Tobet el Masubdar Gal Baustinat Modrang, Maadelina Blailes, Masubdar Bebir Gamiu Marada de Mindalim. Kopal Msulang Edolngitra Rubakal Dios, Malumkal Tangater Gidrogui, Sae na Ngiray Lals Sixtus Peloy. Tiasubdar Gamaldil, Tobdringa Bakar Mausid ni H, Madras Kasu Gabriel Asisang, Rakwis Wilbert Roduk, Rapkau Cecilil Aldabet, Madir Rakwis Marcelina Genti, el Masubdar Adamam Ngakayuk, Ladas Patal Mayoldaw, Motargidra Henok Udui, Amlosmer April 25, 2026, Amla Motrok, Lakamedilel Mamay 10, 2026, el Sunday, el Dimorgina Funeral Home Rang Kibrairai, Magim Subdar Adamam Ngaragalbek Kalbelu, Bangarsul Agim Subdar Ngalgila Sir Alith, Rangalgela ebirulog de mobil radora mobil mosubdar bibirgaw min dalim rangalgela mle ebi lidub kotaro ramalik raskasuk martar alula mosubdar bibirgaw min dalim merter albula rangalgela tuwara rangamdal ayol malulita maygol agidri kal mosubdar adil sa amlong Marian Basngay mosubdar bibirgaw min dalim agidri kal mosubdar rangalgela roduk tem min dalim ng serter albula agidri kal mosubdar rangalgela wasisang roa ramadras kasuk marangalgel madiri kal ngitop wasisang Mkas pasubdalo ade min dalim mit kaing seu. Marangal gila itel mong Petrus mkas pasubdalo ade min dalim itel bula. Marangal gila tatingal roa mkas pasubdalo ade min kaing seu itel bula. Agidiri kan pasubdalo ngal gila amnir atukor Moses sudo min dalim itel bula. Yang arangasang agim subdalo agene di gotaro min dalim kaing seu itel bula. Agidiri kan tur raul sebatyo on ngal gem radeol Rusiang malandisang agim alim itel bula. Yang arkasoa gim subdar ngalgila yugi wong hotel ra otu ta Priscilla siyang aldep mosubdar bebirgaw meim dalim edakang isir hotel bula. Yang iwala gim subdar noa idong ma Rachel rdi alul mkas subdar lo ade meim dalim edakang isir hotel bula. Kidire kal subdar Rachel Lucas mosubdar bebirgaw meim dalim edakang isir hotel bula. Ya oriora gim subdar kal ngira Mariang Alex Ramsik madilbang animarit otong kas subdar lo ade meim edakang isir hotel bula. Tagidiri kam subdar gal ebirulog Naomi Uegi, masubdar bebirgaw emim dalim mertel bula. Gidiri kam subdar gal Rosemary Mersay, masubdar bebirgaw emim dalim mertel bula. Yahida gim subdar ngalgilam leobak masubd yuchi, Ramala albelu Nathan yuchi, Clara Gates, Vernice Meltel, Mayur yuchi, mem daking sirtel bula. Agidiri kam subdar ulang the mem arbebitingi. Parangalgila rigrig ranil mala mem daking isirtel kamaldil. Yang at pangagim sudra ngalgila tawrangel ebir ayung lulay otobda. Agidir kam sudra ngalgila mler iwang de me otobda mem dalim daking isirtel bula. Agidir kam sudra amani amasyo almasudra ebir kamiu mem dalim mertel bula. Yang ram nungo agim sudra ngir turong Chen Sugiyama masudra ngalgila rosang mga ding marangalgila mlengir turong yamadaksang marangalgila France. Agidir kam sudra ngalgila Lawrence Rablas Lawrence. Masubdar bibirgaw emin daking isirtel bula. Gidiri kal masubdar ngalgila isabang ra abir dialol makas pasubdalo ade emin daking isew. Yang art magim masubdar abiyaw the may obarayrur masubdar bibirgaw emin daking isirtel bula. Gidiri kal masubdar ngalgila Jonathan ngil makur makas pasubdalo ade emin dalim bertel bula. Yabalilyo agim masubdar itpik James ngina ade maodaladro salin meresbang masubdar ade emin dalim bertel bula. Agidire kam sobra idala roman rideb, rangalgela okolat ito, rangalgela dilboy rapas kwana susugi, marangalgela kalbit rideb, bosubra ada de main alim mertaging sewrte albula. Lamatela subda ulm trigila damam dimla kalbdong clear, agik mal ayamar kami main alim mertaging sewrte albula. Kop malm sulang, ya Dios lamang gidarokui. Sain o bakar mau sidni echi. Tia subra kamaldi lor todringar mang songray mariur, wer awar ramon rabe, spis Valentino ngirgiklang, kaltngur rabe Udui mang, padul okadat itong, marabu a Celestino malsol, el kmotargidar aru itong Henok Udui am los mer maudingilang amor, kem lamotrok la kamaldi lel morngina Sunday, el tru el kopsingilong emil buila, Sunday May 10, 2026. El di mga maldira pala funeral home in chapel rangat kibrairal mo 12, emoto del morng isa el momdakla, magim subdar bekladad marangal kakablida del gong, may na alim ito kang isirter albula. Magim subdar at mamrabek kalbalu, maolay mga along, ayagim subdar hatsko sa ato marbibirgaw, eriga Emmanuel marangalgem, tiram tawil talat madrang ar marbibirgaw, sabrong ay Raymond marbibirgaw, ruat Paulina Iskang marbibirgaw, Maria Asuncion de Celo Iwil marbibirgaw, Denisha Mariur Ubday marbibirgaw, Adalbar Abdul Bautista Sato, maate mong dirikam subdar atet sing itsato sa daoryong la, Maya adrading al Abraham Osima, mosudra adadrabla yur, marangalgela marra otel toyo. Kaklaw mangrara dagim sudra rangalgela malsol optulia malsol, mosudra bibirgaw, ma Valentina de somel marangalga, agidirigal mosudra hana ingay sa manahane, mosudra bibirgaw, dirigal mosudra abasiliate mal wirangos, dirigal mosudra rangalgela sa eyagal marilang, makaspasubda may nakang siurter albula. Ngiwala gim subra harukong ina makati, Pablo Tomol, Deligat Elender ina makati, Wanda en Timarong, Linda en Malaytaw, Mavaleria en Talay. Balagay ko hagim subra ikuko okotol, mga ravay boy sak Talay, mo subra adat marangal. Yasara gim subra kamarikal sa karyas siyang aldep, Dwayne Hideo, Dr. Che Lingan, Dominic Tamarcel, Umi et Jeffrey Antol, Inariang Iraybay, Gracia Leonardo, Urtung Alisawa Tanabe, Norma Etibek, Emilda Adalbay. Dirikam subra at nga si Krisong sa ito, mo subra bibirgaw marangal ka, dirikam subra o bakar mausid ni H.C. marbibirgaw. Ayra gim subra alul kringang mates, Boyk Spis Sherman Daniel, wadal adra asel takakorulog, Sieko Daniel, Paulina Mangsaw, mo subra bekladad marangal ka turungal karasel, ay dirikam subra evidas mangsol martayad, madirameo ane Maria Deao, mo subra adad rarangalgel agitang, dirikam subra rangalgel diraibu, marangalgel eungel, marangalgel omtilaw, agdirikam subra ira ligisaksa, mamo subra dadra ongal kara igisaksa, agdirikam subra ya ord koel ma ebira irik kalsadaria adalbay, mo subra rangalgel angir oit, marangalgel etumalew, marangalgel avalelas, marangalgel angir aitpang. Orior agim subra odalad mawrakordon, siskas ngabaw marangalgem, raudu sangabaw senior mamayring sangabaw, marangalgel amnedirarur, radilop arabay, Radira rurung lod arabe ngas ma tarkaw na bernis arabe marbibir kami umarangal ka. Rangalgel ako ni ko igang Marcel Marta Marcel marbibir kaw. Ebira Royce mihay na Marcel kodep marbebil pirakaw. Ngalgel asima ko wali asisinya ueda marbibir kaw. Mercy Mariur Bitalawal marbibir kaw. Lily Oilo o kaw marbibir kaw. Tamiana en ngirat abohet marbibir kaw. Julia o ip marbibir kaw. Daria Abrel Teulol marbibir kaw. Ulang damay marbibirakaw, rangaligel abeng da sa awas, rawad at sendi sa awas Lazarus, maramligo el sa awas, marbibirakaw, rakamiw marangal ka, barangalgilam lewad at margi mga mira, madarap tabdewak mga mi, madorin ongulungal marbibirakaw marangal ka. Rangalgela mo kirong osig, rawili osig, rangalgela yob ililaw ray adramay elyayob, marbibirakaw marangal ka. Rangalgela ngiro ora lililaw ratulik Alfonso Diaz, makaray ngiro ora marbibirakaw. Nalgela rumong ililaw rardialul rumong marbibirakaw. Nalgela amda al develbot ralosaw odol makarlasyang sadang maglensyang. Maria Basilius Agitaya, ngayon naruo, umay naruo, Marilyn Basilius, umay Basilius Isida, Cleo Basilius, Susan Ngirausuy, Pascuana Blesa marbibirakaw, Malixis Cabezong Tkel, Marigo Tomas marbibirakaw marangal, Domin Mistru Tomei marbibirakaw, Penitam Subda, Hosiana Rungulbay, Deborah masubda, ngilat ngir hiop masubda, Matthew masubda, April masubda, Fred sangabaw maumi sangabaw maruuliw, Surat Sabal marbibirakaw, Wilson Ngirausuy marbibirakaw, Saturnino Tewid marbibirakaw, Dennis Oilo o marul Reynold Oilo maruuliw, Chen Gabaw, Felix Olgaril Minor marbibirakaw, Ralgel Olgaril, Billy Naruo, Bruce Ngirkutling, Spis Gordon, Isaw Sato, Yusim Sato, Valent Oigang, Chengins Mariur, Denisio Mariur, Ngirat Tutang Aldesel, Samuel Desel, Silverius Pesong, Benito Thomas marbibirakaw marangal ka, Henry Blesam maruulem, Agidiri kam subra ngalgela rigrik spis marangalgela na may meledang tamol marangalgela abrel maebil. Komin mlawas ang kliw mo subra bibir kamiw marangal ka emim na kayong isir tel kamaldil. Trigel adadal mo de kalmadong clear ti alsu da mo suwes mo dengel madida kaswes et kayong isir tel kamaldil. Trigel adan mo de al sebil mortel kamaldil a sebil di maulong surir el momsar mga songray mariur malumang odalat maura kordon. Komal msulang saen er mga songray mariur. Tia subdra kamaldili la targid Ruchitong Henok Udui loltob dringa tingarubakal beduk lang clear ti alsud mga ngiraged Robert Ngerdubech wong turungulbay kaltngura ta amding rabay Udui adalbay el sungor di alul wer owar ramon rabay mangira matur milan isak almora ruquil da kawadal adal ngarakayu kumadas padal morior at mo targid amla mora mga lulungul mlosmer ra April 25 2026 Balway siya aklee lang ramor kamla motrok la kamaldilel morngira May 10 2026 tiang asandel sils di morngira pala funeral home chapel imotob dra yata sils en morang rang sangrang isar malway siya gimsub dri gidel kawadal adal ngaregal belu padaw tangal msub dra rubukut mardalat marangal ged emotangal loiti tal sang mi mercel sils ra May 10 2026 bim da kaing seul kut maklit terulbong sils rangal targit Orior ang algela bertang irmeril radili ad chuding irmeril mao adamra ya adra darbel Ignatius irmeril mosudra rangel min kaing seu rangalgela Franciscas nga pau amle vice president udu sang pau senior mao adamra Fred sang pau mosudra bebir kamiu rangalgela dilub rabera dirarur Clara mabernis rabe mosudra rangalgela sabino masurat sabal rangalgela ngin nga badangal debel botra adreng mao adamra sa almidal kaleb ngin nga badangal mosudra bebir kamiu marangal Nalgila ngira ului rabeira rabes Chen ngira ului mosudra bebir gau emei. Nalgila raksid ngira tapkara lordes raksid mosudra bebir gau. Nalgila sa awas ramligu el sa awas maodam rasendis awas mosudra nalgid. Nalgila ngalula eungel ra ebil adalbay lori madarkawet maodam ra roman ongrung mosudra nalgila tongol marangalgila namaskang barangalgila mitsue. Nalgila nina dalong ra daina marbuik adalbay ngabar dalong marbibir kamiu. Aira yang ngarang ngalgela kayo ngirabluku rabier bierino ngirabluku marbibirangau rangalgela mne evilas mungsong al etu may rungulbay radira kaltalyab da el mangyor amsyo el matbewang rungulbay marbibirangamiu emim nakangisiw rangalgela mangarye eungel ra evirat ubel elen eungel mesungil rem marbibirangamiu rangalgela mangitip France rangit of Arsenio mangalgem ramadrabar sal ngirba at Arsenio marbibiringi Rangalgela mleong alibosang eungel ra Deborah Mahdi mangalgela speaker Helena Royce arurang mas asli at pisong. Rangalgela alang eungel ra Brihida ma legislator Reagan Sidoy masadam Sidoy. Rangalgela mle lapsis edelu eungel ra Xiaomi Suzuki Simeon edelu la mabasyo edelu. Rangalgela mle dira kalgang al dira klang gira matukor ra dirat kalgang al Eleanor gira matukor tagesima odam ra Nixon. Rangalgelam ne ebil atubel al ngaruk ringang rachulia ringang marbibirgau rangalgelam ne ebil adalbay ngdigis gibons thana gibons marbibirgau rangalgela 12 bang radil bdul Sabet Rivera maudlel ra loyola mosubra rangalgela tolilang rangalgela taryong beu ralio ben malio ada mosubra rangalgela naemi marbibirgau ngesare kamam rubang subra gal Faustina Nemesio mosubra bibirgid Tokobet sepedel lang ina matungor milan isa kamarangal gel ong week lamarangal gel amle madra kokol koichi lemei raru finata tingal ma udlem ra Christian nana maigol mosubdar bebi rigid ra diverdi emei idirigal mosubdar ngal gel hatchui chengir omlei mautangal mei nakaing seu klomotela subda ul malablar ngyang klela adad mal targid mloi tertial su di akmal ayamar mosube se olingit mautangal mei nakaing seu lugut maklit yalul bangol sil srangal targid Abola kat sabi emel medi bat galat karang lungu elmura ngalgela marbebir ngal targid ra Ruchitong Henok Udui kopmal msulang say na uwang turungul bay asubdral tobdringa ngira tolo kasilas kingsyo maolle ra Abraham tatingal amurarbe kalngal ra tolo algirela kamal direla targid ra Ruchitong Henok Udui ngalgel ebil albad al tanaka balwaisang esara gemsudrat ngisik risong saito mosudra bibir kawe minda alimit kangiseu O siul subda morimat si kingsyo eliata tingal presima dora masubda manabut chibana masubda bibir kami yume dalim da kaingiseu agidira kam subda morangal karage del blay ra old pub Davis saburo maodam radir bis Rosi saburo motangal me dalim da kaingiseu iwala gem subda James yob mar bibir gaw motangal me dalim da kaingiseu Ort magim sudrak madrang Johannes Ding, brotherly gumangay, ongerong kambes ko soley, mosudra virgi de main da alim da kaing seu. Abel sa ila kamaldi la May 10, 2026, ra 9:30 AM mo 12:30 PM, ra Palau Funeral Home and Chapel nga Ray State, kop malm sulang masilbal sa El Sils. Sahen ginatolok silas Kingsyo, ma Abraham tatingal. Tia sudra ko dalol to dengya kaltngur abay Udui, darmo mis saito maramda albili kwarte, mangir oirem asam masang mara abera tiabda, elender ngira makatil girela kamaldi la targid raru itong Henok Udui. Ngal targid am losmera April 25, 2026, em namotrok la kamaldi morgina Sunday, at true ilkop singil ong emil buila, May 10, 2026. Tel di morngira pala Funeral Home and Chapel, rangat kibra irel mo suelbel mo todan morang rangasang, rang isar mo madakla. Palway sa gimsubra rekal damam nga regal belu. Mangiwala gimsubra ngiringa sa Elio Rulog na madil sa irung lakobong. Mosubra adad marangal. Agidiri gimsubra kaul Senator Elender ngiram kati. Wanda Timarong, Lourdes Marar, Linda Malaitaw, Valerie ngiram kati, Orlando ngiram kati. Pamkas pasub de meim da alimertel bul. Diri kal tokobet sa espadama morgal benina yob, mat James yob, mosubra bibir kamiu en me load matakaing isew. Dili ka espada larang algila Ignacio Sadang, Marueram, Jose, mosubdara bibir kami yung main nakaing isew. Yamal kayo kagim subdara kault kadasaw Morales Ramaroy, ebilt kadasaw Marian Ramaroy, mosubdara ngal kamarada na may mga sukamamerte albula. Ng esara kagim subdara kault Bautista Mahilmer Alula, Margaret Amasyola, Rabat Robam Amasyola, Sandra Sinsak, Juanita Ota Udui, Mabenchamin Amasyola, mosubdara bibir kami yung main dalim. Dili kal ngirar mo Miss Saito, Deborah S. Isaac, ing Lord Malaitaw, Isabong Saito, ma Odalat Hiroko Hideo, mosudra adat marangal ka. Agi dili kal mosudra Marcelo the Bangla, makolas mosudra adat. Dili kal spada lagi nedi Otaro, mamartar alu, namangkas pasudro at. Dili kal Eliata Tingal, Masayo Cobrel, mamangkas pasudro at. O si siul suda marangal gilam nera Tukur Abbas Cersei, Ramon Nigama Elia Joseph Abbas, Rangalgila Bares Odoriong, Kau Luisa Sumang, Marangalgila Baltel Basyo, Mary, mamkas pasubot kami umarangal, kay may alimertel bula. Ay liyak kalsubot amura radbae Silverius nginatong sa pesong, Ramalixis Katkel, mamosubot radat marangal, kay may alimertel bula. O si siulsubot amura ksaw nawas araymul, madil saksaw, Sara Yugiwo, mamosubot rangal kumaradat, kay may alimertel bula. Kaya iragim subot rangal manapot chibana, marbibinakaw, ma Ana I. Holland may mdakaing sew. Ma Senator Stevenson Quarte mo subra adad marangal ka. Diri kat spadala ebiledil Caroline Takada modong sang rakamsik. Diri tublay David Masaw mo subra adad marangal ka may mdakaing sew ti albul. Ya orira kim subra kal ngiro oidem asam masang mo subra bibir kaw. Agi diri kam subra ngal ke like Chloe Itpig marangal ke lamakar ramaskang. Ngiri ete Henry Blesam sa Raymond Joshua Blesam. Pascuana Blesam rangul marbibir kamiw. Diri kaspada laram da Pastor Billy Quarte, Haneno Revele el Maawong Right Quarte, mamkas pasudalo ane may nakaing isew. Agi diri kam sudra Veronica Masayos, Indira Absalom, Silverius Pesong, Mamlixis Katkel, mosudra rangal ka. Diri kal Fabian ER, Besiru, Tony Ngirar Saul, Ramona Marbo, Rangasul Barel, Fidias Barel, Johannes Merar, Florencio Italbong, Nolan Rablu, Tina Vince, Rosania Barel Marangalgem, Valeria Blodak, Rabay masub da marbebir kaw madirakle ubari. Diri kalau si sulsub da maramarimat King Show, tinat modrang manginat tolok silas King Show, mosud ratad marangal ke maim da alimertel bul. Diri kaspada lanet Faustino, mosud rabibir kaw. Diri kalau masub da adirario kalistaya manguchi, mosud ratad marangal ka. Agi diri kalau masub da es Paulus ong alibang, mebir otong nana ong alibang, mosud rangal ke maim da kangiseu, eda alimertel bul. Kidiri kam subdra kal ngiray galaw Francisco Gibon sa adalbaratang alensid mangira sukrek ngirmang mamugtangal kaspaso de may dalim. O si siulsubda murarubas a Gabriel Adalbayim o Rahel Becerrak mo subdra adat marangal ka. Agidiri kam subdra ngur ngir Meril Wayne Ada mau Elio Irene Francisco mo subdra adat marangal ke may dalim en kang siurti albul. Yay miliga kim subdra kal o bakramiyon sa terwar ngulbay o bakram ngalangal lerin sa ramliga ma Muruel Hanslismaw mo subdra adat marangal ke may kang isiw. Agidiri kam subdra kal ubat Juan Ginatagi sa Raymond Joshua Blesam mangiri etet Henry Blesam mo subdra adat may kang isiw ti albul. Yang ayaw ragim subdra kal o bak Andres Urbalaw Evil Inaria Agitaya, Matongo Gates, Mosudra adat marangal gaming nakang isir telbu. Diri kat patala diri amal karamona Chiyoko kwal, Maelia kwal, Baan si sumang madiburak kwal oip, mosubdara ngalga. Agidiri kamsubdara rechina subris mayad arga arafael, mosubdara bibirgaw. Agidiri kamsubdara kalu el sias ken wehara, som leven hart Thomas, mosubdara ada de min kaingiseu. Diriklo si subda mara severino Joseph, matage si goto, makaspusubdra mi umarangal ke min dalimerter bul. Agidiri kamsubdara kal busi Faustino Robert, mosubdara ada de min kaingiseu ter bul. Borarbek kala daman lo dingal mdung clear ti al sub de la kabal makitarang miu en klam ngatela sub da ul magiolngit moy ti al sang miu me imda ali mertel bula kop malm sulang ya Dios lo makal tanga tergidrogui saen kaltngu rabay udui
ti al sub del mulla reng stringi adiagal spedel ma adiagal tigingel malub engul de suela dias broadcasting company ti ang aspedirar adlul top dengi e haraorngi ko malm sulang.
WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station.
Hello, Palau. This is Diaz Broadcasting Company. Come and do business with us. Other media businesses, you pay GRT or PGST. We pay all taxes and you pay nothing. We do business and pay later. Masulang.
WWFM is owned and operated by Diaz Broadcasting Corporation. Our office is located on the hilltop of Ngerdubech Hamlet, broadcasting on two different frequencies, 88.5 MHz and 89.5 MHz 24/7, with a transmitting power of 450 watt each transmitter. WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station.
Did you know that MBTV is now broadcasting on YouTube? Yes, sirree. Just type in Diaz Broadcasting Company, click it, and enjoy all shows. Don't forget to click on subscribe in order for us to stay on internet. Yes, MBTV on YouTube.
WWFM is now accepting your business 24/7. Just simply call us at 488-5771 from 7:30 to 5 p.m. or 488-2177 or 775-0441 after working hours.
Oi sine. What do you mean oi sine? Oh, correct. Asahi Super Dry. Number 1. So smooth, so crispy, so fresh and tastes good, man. In America, that's what we drink too. In PI, I tell you, pare, we drink it too because it's number 1. In Palau, we drink it too because you know why it's good with sashimi. It is sold throughout Palau. Akarakuchi Island beer, Asahi Super Dry, number 1.
Looking for Palauan oldies or American oldies or latest music? WWFM Music Store is open to serve you. You can now make your own personalized CD or download music to your iPod, MP3 player, USB, and cell phone. WWFM Music Store is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Saturday. Call 488-5771 for more information. You're listening to station WWFM. Stay tuned for Fox News.
White House advice for Iran. Lisa Brady, Fox News. Secretary of State Marco Rubio saying it's time for the regime to make a sensible choice as he was leading a White House briefing.
They are facing real catastrophic destruction to their economy, generational destruction to their economy, generational destruction to the wealth of their country, imposed on themselves by the actions that they're taking. They should check themselves before they wreck themselves in the direction that they're going.
Rubio says the U.S. blockade of Iranian ports is in response to what Iran has been doing in the Strait of Hormuz.
There is no international law that allows you to say, I'm going to put mines in an international body of water and I'm going to blow up ships that don't listen to us and try to go through. That's what Iran is doing. This is a criminal act.
He says the U.S. is trying to restore freedom of navigation by securing a lane to guide stranded ships through the strait, and that Project Freedom is a defensive operation, unlike Operation Epic Fury, which Rubio says is over, though President Trump hasn't ruled out a return to fighting. The president also saying again that Iran wants to make a deal.
Iran has no chance. They never did. They know it.
Iranian media quoting their president as saying it's impossible to surrender to unilateral demands from the U.S. Iran's foreign ministry reportedly denying attacks on the UAE, which has reported a second day of missiles and drones. Iranian officials claiming defensive actions only directed at U.S. targets. Vice President J.D. Vance is on the road campaigning in Iowa for a Republican congressman after stopping to vote in his home state, Ohio, which has primaries today. So does Indiana. A verdict just in for an NFL player accused of assaulting his private chef in a pay dispute. Former Patriots receiver Stephon Diggs found not guilty on day 2 of his trial in Massachusetts. Attorneys for the 4-time Pro Bowler argued the assault never happened and questioned the credibility of the chef, suggesting money as a possible motive for the allegations. America is listening to Fox News. A death sentence in Texas over the kidnapping and murder of a young girl.
Following Tanner Horner's guilty plea to the kidnapping, sexual assault, and killing of 7-year-old Athena Strand while he was working as a delivery driver in 2022. A judge in Fort Worth reading the jury's sentence for Horner. Death.
You will be caused to die in accordance with the rules and regulations established by the Texas Department of Criminal Justice until you, said Tanner Horner, are dead.
Strand's family members appearing relieved by the sentence, in which Horner will die by lethal injection once a date is set, though a death sentence in Texas by law is automatically sent to the state criminal appeals court.
Fox's Jeff Manasso. The man accused of trying to kill President Trump last month at a D.C. hotel is indicted by a federal grand jury on 4 counts, including attempted assassination, 2 gun-related counts, and a new charge assaulting a federal officer. Cole Allen due back in court next week. The nominations are out for Broadway's biggest night.
The Lost Boys and Schmigadoon lead this year's nominations for the 79th Annual Tony Awards with 12 nominations each, followed by Ragtime with 11, Arthur Miller's Death of a Salesman, Cats the Jellicle Ball, and Richard O'Brien's The Rocky Horror Show all have 9. 2 plays have been nominated for their original scores. Joe Turner's Come and Gone and Death of a Salesman, both productions utilize bluesy musical performances. This year's Tony Award ceremony returns to Radio City Music Hall in New York City, hosted by Pink, who has never appeared on Broadway, but took the gig at the urging of her daughter. The event will broadcast live to both coasts on CBS and stream on Paramount Plus. Michelle Polino, Fox News.
Wall Street bounces back. New records for the S&P closing at 72.59 and the NASDAQ topping 25,300. The Dow finishing up 356 points, back over 49K. I'm Lisa Brady, Fox News.